Now we're going to move on to making the pickled daikon and carrots. So you only need to pickle this for about 1 day. So let's get started on that. So first off, we're going to peel and wash the carrots and daikon. Next, if you have a mandolin, it'd be great. But if you don't, just try to cut it into small strips or strings. So after you got it into all the strips or strings, so we are going to bring out the moisture from within the daikon and carrot by using a few tablespoons of salt, mixing it up and leaving it there for say 10 to 20 minutes. Afterward, there's gonna be this juice that comes out. Then we're going to rinse this really good. After rinsing a couple cycles, we're going to squeeze out as much water as we can and place it into a container to dry. You should strain it on this for at least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. This by itself, after straining out, is a little bit salty. We used the salt earlier to extract all the moisture from inside, but now it absorbed the salt content, so it's a little bit salty. Next, we're going to combine 1 part white vinegar, 1 part sugar, and 2 part water. After that, we're gonna take the daikon and carrot, put it into a jar or a bowl or something that you can cover, and pour over the vinaigrette mixture, just enough to cover the carrot and daikon. Cover it up, and you can leave it in the fridge, and it will be ready to serve the next day. So the end product should be a little bit salty, a little bit sour, and a little bit sweet. So a little bit of everything, and with of course that crunch.